Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to find the best sellers on Pandabuy using Reddit. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So if you're looking to buy something for cheap on Pandabuy and weren't sure whether a store was credible, legit, or trustworthy, and you wouldn't have any way of knowing apart from uh, social proof or customer testimonials or reviews, well, there's actually one surefire way to find credible sellers on Pandabuy, and that's through this subreddit page right here, r/fashion reps. Now, what you guys are gonna want to do is you want to visit this page right here, and you want to search for trusted on the search bar, trusted, and once you hit enter, it'll generate a bunch of posts with a list of trusted sellers for each category. So here's actually one that was posted 5 years ago, and these are all legit and were proven uh, time after time to be real and trustworthy sellers. So once you click on these subreddit posts, you'll see a bunch of stores or dealer names with a bunch of category with the type of category that they're tied to, along with a uh, type of contact information or a redirect to their website, as you guys can see here. So this is what it actually looks like. So basically, if you guys want to find the best deals on Pandabuy or the best sellers who you know are legit, you refer to these posts right here on this subreddit, r/fashion reps. Here's also a couple here. Hold on. Here we are. So you want to click on this link. Here's one. So at the end of the day, we're just going to refer to this list right here, and it should show you a list of all the trusted sellers that you can count on to uh deliver with high quality products at reasonable rates. Because with Pandabuy, you just never know. So here you are. So if this guide helped you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel as well as making sure that the bell notification is turned on. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.